Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes on Monday, the 6th of August, here on Share Talk. Starting off with Barron Oil, and you can see that just starting to break through recent tough resistance just below 0.6. The ideal scenario here is that we have a spike higher or acceleration higher towards the 1 penny level, maybe something like in the manner that we did in 2016, and we hit the top of this rising trend channel from 2015 over the next month or two. Stop loss on the whole bullish argument here back below the 50-day moving average. That's currently at 0.45. Stock which is looking encouraging and has been for a few days and weeks is ECR Minerals. Here you can see that it's making progress within this broadening triangle. Target implied here 1.6 pence, and we've got a nice V or U-shaped bull flag breaking above the 200-day moving average as well at 0.98, and while we're above that, the 1.6 pence zone is the hoped for target. Fulham Sho, I think I covered a little while back, just as it was breaking out, but it seems to be breaking out even better now, just approaching the March peak around 13.5 pence. Still looking for as high as 17, 18 pence, which is where the shares were back in the autumn, and the target value while we remain above the 200-day moving average at 11.25. Another stock which has appeared here quite frequently is Infrastrata. Here we can see that had another go at breaking this line at 0.7 pence. We're hoping that that will break relatively soon, especially after this gap higher today, but above 0.7 pence, the big target there as high as 1.2 pence at the top of a broadening triangle from April. Stop loss back below 0.6 at the moment, so not risking too much on that one. As far as next stock is concerned, we've got decent action in terms of Premaitha Health, the ongoing breakout heading towards 13 pence, which is the top of a March rising trend channel. That valued really well. We hold above June resistance at 9 pence. Okyo Pharma, a bit of a roller coaster in terms of the price action. I think we've been sort of in a pinball area between 3p and 8p. Situation at the moment is that we bounced off on Friday. We bounced off the floor of this gap at 2.2 pence. While we're above that, we've got a notional buy the dip opportunity for hopefully another go at 8 pence if we hold the 2.2 level. But obviously that's not for widows and orphans in that situation. Very, very volatile indeed. Totally breaking out nicely, this triangle break that we had just to start August in progress here, going towards the initial target of 30 pence, which is the 200-day moving average, and then after that, hopefully quite quickly on to 40, 45 pence, which is where the shares were at the beginning of the year. Stop loss really back below 25, so a reasonable risk-reward situation then. Just finishing off with Upland Resources, which is also moving quite nicely. Here we can see that we've got this broadening triangle from the beginning of the year, breaking through towards this the highs of the year to date, 4p, decent weekly close above that implies 7 pence, maybe as soon as the end of next month. Stop loss back at the 50-day moving average at 3.13 pence. That's it for me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.